OPPO's next book-style foldable is coming soon, according to a now-deleted post by prolific Chinese leakster digital chat station. This will be called Find N5 and it will be the successor to the Find N3 from last October. The company will skip for the OPPO Find N3 launched in global markets as the OnePlus Open, so OPPO Find N5 to be a rebranded OnePlus Open 2. The OPPO Find N5 is tipped to get 2K resolution displays. It is said to run on Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC. The foldable is expected to feature a triple rear camera setup headlined by a 50-megapixel Sony camera. The camera setup is said to include a single unspecified periscope sensor. It could also have an alert slider and a waterproof build. It is said to have a thin and lightweight build with around 9.x mm thickness. It will have a battery of around 6,000 mAh capacity. Weibo Digital Chat Station has claimed the OPPO folding phone is incoming in Q1 2025. He had quoted the same timeline in May. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.